Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Sun Academy. In this lecture, we are going to solve an important question of quadratic equations in statistics. As you can see, the question on the board is that if alpha, beta are the roots of the equation x square minus px plus q is equal to 0, construct the equation with the roots q upon p minus alpha and q upon p minus beta. Now, first of all, students, if we compare this equation with the standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and the given equation is x square minus px plus q is equal to 0. So comparing both these equations, we can see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus p, and c is equal to q. Now if I find the sum of roots of this equation, then sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. That means minus p upon 1, that will be p, and product of the roots that is alpha beta, formula for that is c upon a. Now c is equal to q and a is equal to 1. So alpha beta will be c, and alpha plus beta will be p. Now, as we know, to construct the equation, we need sum of the roots of this and product of both these roots. So sum of the roots means q upon p minus alpha plus q upon p minus beta. Taking LCM both these bracket, p minus alpha into p minus beta, this bracket will multiply with this q, and this bracket will multiply with this q. So multiplying this will be pq minus q beta plus pq minus q alpha, and if I multiply both these brackets at denominator, then this will be p square minus p beta minus p alpha plus alpha beta. Now pq plus pq will be 2pq, and I am taking minus as a common and minus q as a common, so under bracket will be alpha plus beta, and at denominator that is minus p square, and if I take minus p as common, under bracket will be alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now you can see the value of alpha plus beta is p, so this will become 2pq minus pq. I replace alpha plus beta with p, and at denominator that will be p square minus p, value of alpha plus beta is p, and value of alpha beta is q, so this will become q. Now 2pq of positive and PQ of negative will become PQ P square minus P square plus Q. PQ, this will be cancelled, Q will be cancelled, though sum of the roots is P. Which equation we have to construct. Now product of the roots, that will be Q upon P minus alpha into Q upon P minus beta. So this will become Q square, and you can see that at denominator it was P minus alpha and P minus beta, and value for that at last was Q. P minus alpha into P minus beta gave us the value Q. Q will be cancelled. So product of the roots is also Q. Now the equation that is x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Now x square minus sum of roots gave us p x and product of root gave us q. So the given equation will be the same, that is the question. First you have to find the value of sum of the roots of the given equation and product of the roots. Then after we have to find the sum of the roots, for which we have to construct the equation, which is alpha q minus q divided by p minus alpha plus q divided by p minus beta, and simplifying this we got the value p as the sum of the roots. Then after we need to find the product of the roots, for which we have to construct the equation, and that gave us the value q as we simplified the product, and both these values we replaced in the equation and got the equation which is equal to the question. Now students, if you find our channel very interesting, and if you think that you are learning interestingly, then do comment, share the link of our channel and like our videos, so that other students can also get the benefit of the good and the best learning.